Is it yours? Wow. This is gorgeous. It's really nice. Wow, thank you very much. Wow. What's the engine size on this?
This is a 350 engine, so this is a V8 5.7 liter.
My God.
Yeah. I want to start it, but I think I'm low on water, so I just put some water.
Yeah, you gotta be safe.
Yeah.
Gotta be safe there.
There's no point
You gotta be careful with it, isn't it? It's very nice.
Never seen hot rod before?
No, I haven't. No, never. No. No.
This is an 1827 Model A.
1827.
1927.
1927. Model A. Wow. Yeah, I'm from England. We don't have these in England.
Well, States full of it.
Yes.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah, America. Yeah.
quite popular.
Very. Yeah. Very much. I thought it was just like part of the hotel or something. I never knew it was
No, I live
actual.
here. I've been living here for 10 years.
Wow.
But I usually park it inside.
Fantastic. No, it's a beautiful car. It's very nice.
This is the small tires I have on for now.
They're small tires.
On, actually I was just talking to my guy. These are the sizes are 33 by 12 and a half. Here 33 by 12 and a half. So 33 is the height.
Yes.
12 is the 12 and a half is the width.
Right.
Now the one I'm getting is 21 and a half, which is up to this much.
Mike.
We use it for drag. And it will be here in this one.
Bloody hell, that's amazing. That's amazing. Wow.
Cut the top, we lowered it. We lowered the entire car. It has an air pump. It goes up and down. I want to start it so we can.
That's my wife.
Hello there.
This is his car.
Oh wow.
It's amazing.
So we need to work on the body a little, but it's a project car, so it takes time.
Oh, definitely. You have to. It's a project, isn't it? It's a project. That's crazy. That's crazy. So you lived here for 10 years.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Before that, somewhere else?
I was in the States.
America? Oh, wow.
I was in Dallas, Texas.
Mind blowing. Anyway, we should get off. I will thank you very much.
I was in Dallas, Texas. I was in Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, take care. Thanks. Thank you. Bye bye. Wow.